Hi there, I'm Jules from thesstonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. So for our spinach and feta burgers, I've got defrosted a packet of spinach, frozen spinach, and just squeezed it dry. So the packet was like 250 grams, I think it's an 8-ounce pack. But when you squeeze it dry, you get like about 125 grams. So if you want to use like home cooked greens, you could. Then I've got 100 grams of almond meal, 2 eggs, 100 grams of feta that I've just chopped up into cubes. And I'm just going to mix this all together to form our burger patties. Great. Yum. You might like to add a bit more salt if you like things fairly salty. I'm just going to go with the seasoning from the feta today. And then when we've got a nicer mix, we just want to, got clean hands, just going to form it into 2 patties. And which is a bit messy. And I'm going to bake these in the oven. So we're going to just put them on a piece of a tray lined with baking paper. You could pan fry them if you want, but they are pretty crumbly. So I find that it's quicker to pan fry them, but you risk getting your burgers all mushy. So I like to just I actually cook it in a really hot oven, so 250C, which is 480F. And it's going to take somewhere between, usually around 10 minutes, maybe sometimes up to 15 minutes. So the spinach and feta burgers have been in the oven for 10 minutes, that hot oven, so they've gone nicely golden brown around the edges. When I touch them, they feel springy. I feel like they're cooked. You might need a little bit longer, but I'm going to go with that. And then I'm just going to serve them with a really simple sauce of mayonnaise and yogurt, natural yogurt mixed together. It's just really beautiful and creamy and fresh. So about 3 tablespoons each of mayonnaise and yogurt, or you could just use mayonnaise, or you could just use yogurt. Like either, it's all good. There we go. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thesstonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.